As you all know, I cracked the UGC NET at December 2019, and October 2019 was my worst time of my life. Till now, it was the worst time of my life when I was facing so much issues, family issues, relational issues, financial crisis, and at that time I was totally full of stress, anxiety, totally emotionally I was totally about to end. At that time I crack it, and that's why I'm telling it is possible. If you can do it, that demotivation is the highest level of motivation. That's why I'm telling. So I'm going to share this my own life experience to all of you, so that you can also utilize that and you can also crack it. So if you are new to this channel, then please click the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, then share this video to all of your friends. Now I am going to share. As you can see, to sharing this video, really I'm not so much comfortable, but still I am sharing because it is important for you. It is my own life story, that is I am going to share with you, so that you can do anything. If the situation is very bad in your life, if you are facing so many challenges in your life, at that time also the exam is there and you have to crack it, then you have to do it, because there is no other option. When there is the chance of failure, the chance of failure is coming when there is another option. When in your life there is plan A and the plan B also, if I fail there, then I can go for plan B. Then only the chances there you will fail in plan A. But if there is only one option, that only plan A is in my hand, only one and only one option in my hand to change my life, to survive my life, and there is no other option, it is do or die condition, then you will do it. Because just I am taking an example. If you are flying through the air and suddenly there is a technical issue and there is a big problem in the aircraft, that is in the airplane, and they are telling you that now you have to jump to the water, otherwise it will be gone, there will be fire, within 1 second there will be fire. What you will do? You will jump to the water, right? Do you think you will think one time that no, I can do now? No, you will do it, and finally you will get the success to survive your life. Yes, that is the problem. If there is only one option, one and only one option in your life, then definitely you will do it. So take this coming exam, coming opportunity in your life, it is my one and only one option, then definitely you will get the success. So now coming to the story of my life. So in the month of October 2019, my husband and my daughter both was suffering from fever, and it was high fever. My daughter was also not good, my husband was also not good, and here we are only the three people. There is no one to support, there is no family member is here where we are staying. So in that situation, one evening we came to know my husband is suffering from dengue, and doctor told me just now you have to hospitalize him. And it was a very tough condition for me. What I have to do now? At that time I took that decision. Yes, I leave my daughter. That is the first time when I leave my daughter at night to the neighbor, that is to the mother of her friend, and I went to hospitalize my husband, and they told me you have to stay here because patient condition is not good. That's why any one family member have to be stay here, and there was no family member, so that's why the whole night I have to stay there. And at that time my daughter was also suffering from fever, and she has also the totally rashes in her total body. So that night was the pathetic condition for me. The duty of a wife and the duty of a mother, what is the priority now? Just I think that yes, she is there with another mother and she will be good. Now I have to face this emergency. After that, next day my sister came and she took take care of my daughter, and it was for the 4 to 5 days he was hospitalized, and after that he came to house. That was the situation, and that 5 days also I did not stop my learning, guys. Yes, that 5 days also I was watching videos. So luckily in the hospital internet was good, and that's why throughout the day there was no work in the hospital because I have to stay there. So I was watching the videos only, all the videos whatever required for my exam preparation I was watching. I did not stop. And after that, when he came back from the hospital and ultimately he survived, then another problem arose. That was the biggest problem of my life. That problem was that I came to know there is a loan, it is for only for me, and I have to pay that for my self respect only. Maybe other can pay that, but I took that decision for my self respect. I have to pay a loan amount of more than 2 lakh. And when I was a housewife, there is no earning for me. I already left my job 5 years ago, and now at that time I was doing some freelancing. Sometimes I was getting hardly 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, and it was also not fixed. At that time, how I can pay that more than 2 lakh amount? And that pressure was a huge pressure for me, and it was related with my self respect. So it was the totally bad situation for me, and finally I have decided that yes, if I have to do that, then only one and only option is there. I have to crack this exam anyhow, because only after crack this exam UCT NET, then only I can pay this amount, because after that there is the chance to get the job of more than 50,000 amount, then only I can pay it. Otherwise there is no other option. And another constraint is also there. Maybe I can get the job any other where, but the constraint is there. Whatever I have to do from my home. The constraint is there. I cannot go out because there is no one to take care of my daughter, and it is a constraint from my family only that if you want to do anything, if you want to do any job, so you have to do from the home only, because you cannot neglect our daughter, you cannot now neglect our child. Whatever you want to do from your home only. And who will pay me that more than 50,000 amount, so that I can pay more than 2 lakh loan? Who will pay me if I am doing from home? So that was only the option. I think that yes, first option is I have to crack it, UGC NET, and at that time I was the student of Unacademy, and I came to know yes, if I can join Unacademy after crack the exam, then that is the chance. Yes, I can pay it, because now then my salary will be good, and with the YouTube also I was trying. So that is the highest level of motivation of my life. That demotivation at that full of stress is my highest motivation of my life. And finally, with this kept in my mind that there is no other option, no other job, I cannot go out, I have to do anything from online only, from my home only, and I cannot do any other thing what is possible, like someone is doing, some people are doing like business, they are doing shopping business and all, that I cannot do, because this is not my characteristics. I cannot do. Always I love learning, always I like study, and always I love education. So whatever I have to do with education only. So that's why it was only one and only one option to my life. Yes, now if I have to crack it anyhow. And ultimately, with the full of stress in my family, in my life, and the pressure, financial pressure in my head, with that also I crack it, because there was no other option. Repetitively I am telling, when you will think that there is no other option, only this option can change your life, and only with this option only you can survive, then you will do it, you will achieve your goal, you can do that. That is only the thing. And that's why always I am telling, demotivation is the highest level of motivation. And finally, with the blessing of all of my students, and with the blessing of God and my parents, I am able to pay that amount. In this year only I pay that amount, and now I am free from all types of loan. And I hope you get some motivation from this video. And whatever going on in your life, if it is too much negative also, take it positively, and take that, yes, if I can do it, then only my life will change. Thank you everyone. Bye. See you soon in my next video. Please stay blessed always, stay motivated always, stay positive always. That is only the one key of success. Thank you. Bye bye.